My street gets together for a big fireworks show in our cul-de-sac every July 4th. Now, if someone were to get hurt, is anyone really liability, and who, since they were all out there on their own free will? And Jeff has sent in that question.
Well, that's a great question, Jeff, and thank you very much for the email. I think everybody generally has a responsibility to use reasonable care. If you're at your home, if you're at your neighbor's home, if you're in the cul-de-sac, if you're shooting off fireworks, you have to do so with reasonable care. I'd like to introduce Harry Graham from my firm Barrett, Fasig & Brooks, and to see what Harry has to say about this.
Welcome to our show again, Harry. Always
thanks,
a pleasure.
Frank. Nice to meet you.
There you go. It's nice to meet you too, Harry. Now go ahead.
Well, and we were discussing this a little bit before. I think it's a little bit of an open question. If it's a organized fireworks event, I think arguably the organizer of the event could be liable if someone got hurt. But also, I mean, it's a dangerous activity. Under the law, it's called a well, I'll remember that later. But, but either way, it's a dangerous activity, and you do assume some of the risk when you attend these types of events. But generally speaking, if it's an organized activity, as Carrie said, the organizer has to use due care, but it's not 100% guarantee. There's no 100% absolutely safe events in life, and people can get hurt. So again, it's a bit of an open question, but it does depend on how organized it is.